In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a block on Squarespace. Have you ever found yourself tweaking your Squarespace site only to realize you've added a block that you no longer need? Don't worry, removing a block from your Squarespace website is a straightforward process. Whether it's text, an image, or any other type of block, I'll guide you through each step so you can keep your site looking exactly how you want it. First, let's start with navigating to Squarespace. Open your favorite web browser and type in the Squarespace URL. Once the page loads, you'll notice a login button usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to move forward. Squarespace offers several ways to log in, including the option to continue with Google. This is a convenient choice if you've already linked your Google account to Squarespace. So go ahead and click on continue with Google. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the one linked to your Squarespace site. It's straightforward. Just click on your preferred Google account and you'll be taken to your Squarespace dashboard. Now let's direct our focus to your website. You can go to your website directly by clicking on this link, Squarespace website link. Do you see the list of your sites? Good. Click on the website you wish to edit. Upon selecting your site, you'll navigate to the website editor. Look for an edit button or link. This option will take you to a page where you can add, adjust, or remove content blocks from your site. Once you're in the edit mode, it's time to locate the block you wish to delete. Move your mouse over the block. It should be highlighted or show an outline, indicating it's selected. Look for the trash can icon. This icon is usually located at the top or corner of the block when it is selected. Clicking on this icon will remove the block from your page. If you're not seeing the icon right away, ensure the block is correctly selected or hover over different parts of the block until it appears. After clicking the trash can icon, the block will be removed. However, your changes are not saved automatically. To finalize the removal, look for the Save button, typically located at the top or side of the editor. Clicking Save will apply your changes, making the block removal permanent. And there you have it. You've successfully removed an unwanted block from your Squarespace site, helping you to maintain the clean and professional look of your website. Remember, you can always undo this action before saving if you've changed your mind. Also, consider previewing your site before saving the changes to ensure everything looks as expected. I hope this guide was helpful. Keep exploring and customizing your Squarespace site to perfect its appearance and functionality. Happy editing!